Hey everyone, welcome back to our Learn HTML5 for Beginners crash course. In today's video, we are going to be discussing about another crucial part of HTML, inserting images using HTML5. Images plays a vital role in making your web pages visually appealing. In HTML5, we use the image element to insert images. Let's dive into it. The image element has a source attribute where you specify the path to your image file. Understanding paths is crucial. You can use a relative path if the image is in the same directory as your HTML file, or an absolute path if the image is hosted on another server. You just have to choose the right path depending on where your images are located. Accessibility is key. Always include descriptive alt text using the alt attribute. It makes users who can't view their image understand their content. It's as simple as adding alt equals double quotes, and make sure to write your descriptive text between the double quotes. You have control over the size of your image. Use the width and height attributes to set the dimension. Additionally, you can use CSS to further style your images and enhance your web page's layout. Remember to use the right file formats like JPEG, PNG or GIF. Optimize your images for web and consider using a responsive design for best user experience. And there you have it. Inserting images in HTML5 is straightforward, from path to alt text and styling. You are well on your way to creating visually stunning web pages. Practice what you've learned, and if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more web development tips. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.